My one-kid poem, The Peacocks. The peacocks are national bird, stunning, colorful feathers. They hatch a long tail, many unique eye spots. They living in forest, symbolize beauty and royalty. It has nice crown on its head. They are the participate for growing in the beauty of nature by their dancing and nice looks. Conversations. Hi Ram, how are you? I am well. How are you? I am same. Why are you not responding? And why are you not coming for meeting and sing with me? I am trying also, but I have not time. So I am thinking that when I should be getting the times, at first I am meeting and sing with you. I am recently joining in the new job and it is the far distance. Oh, but I was very worried. I was very confused for meeting and seeing you. I want to invite you for lunch on weekend day. Yes, I shall go to the Sunday for lunch and spending on the whole day with you. Hi sir, may I come in? Yes, come here and take your seat. Why are you very interesting for participate in this job? I am very interesting because I am thinking the teacher job is the best, good, ideal job. How many years experience have you? I have 5 years experience. How much salary have you deserved? I have deserved 30,000 salary. Hi Rakhi, how are you and how are your all family? I have arranged the birthday party for me. My birthday has been coming after 2 days. So I am very interesting to invite my all friends and I am interesting to call and invite to you and your whole family. Please participate in this birthday party. I want to spending time and very enjoys with you. Yes, I shall go to and attend your birthday party and very enjoys with you. Hi Rita, how are you? I am not well. I am very sick. I understand to follow you. I understand that you are very sick. But what is your disease? Have you suffered? I am suffering for the headache and fever. I suggested to you, please shall go to the doctors and have an appointment. Yes, I shall go to the doctors. Hi Ram. My hi. Hi Ram. My birthday has been coming after 2 days. Hi Ram, my birthday has been coming after 2 days. You participate in this birthday party. I am very interesting to enjoy with you, but at that time I shall not stay in my own house. I shall go to the outside for travel. Okay, but I am very sorry I could not attend in your birthday party. But after returning in my home, definitely I shall go to your house and spending a long time with you. Hi, respected sir. I shall not attend in your class because I shall not stay in my own house. I shall go to the outside at Puri for traveling. So I am very sorry. I am missed the class. Please grant my application and please. Hi mom, what are you doing? I am digging a hole. Why are you digging a hole? I am digging a hole for plant a tree. What is the tree? Is the apple tree. Wow, is very like most. But how does it grow up? It grows up at first and carefully. At first and slowly, it should be very careful. Hi, Lohim, why are you not attention to my instructions? I am understand and explain to it briefly. But why are you misminded? Sir, I have been listening to your instructions and I have been trying to also pay attention, but I am feeling very sick. So I want that I shall go to the house at the before the time. I am suffering for the sickness, so I shall go to the house and I have leave. I have leave. Okay. Hi doctors, may I come in? Yes, come here. Please say to me, what is your problem? Have you sufferings? I am suffering for the fever. How many days have you suffering? I am suffering for 3 days. Take you